Hi there, so in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to solve a quadratic inequality. So if you look here, this inequality is quadratic, so it's got an x squared term. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get all the terms onto one side. I've got x squared plus 7x, and I'm going to make that plus 10 less than 0. So x squared plus 7x plus 10 less than 0. Now, using the method I've covered in my factorising quadratics videos, I've got the 2 factors of 10, 2 and 5, and they sum to 7, so I've got this is just x plus 2, x plus 5 less than 0. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to use what's called the table of signs, also known as the sign table. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at when these are 0, so this is 0 when x is negative 2, and this is 0 when x is negative 5. I'm going to compile a table, see what happens to each of these terms on intervals between these numbers where they're 0. So I've got x, now I've got infinity, 5, negative 5, negative 5, negative 2, and remember, don't make the mistake I almost made of going straight to negative 2 to infinity, which always include the numbers. So negative 2, negative 2, infinity. Right, so down here I've got my x plus 2, my x plus 5, and my x squared plus 7x plus 10. Okay, so I know that x plus 2, that's increasing as x increases. I know it's 0 at negative 2. So I know now it's going to be negative up until negative 2, 0 at negative 2, and positive afterwards. And it's going to be negative before this one's going to be negative before negative 5, 0 here, and positive afterwards, because again it's increasing. Now I'm going to multiply these together, so multiplying two negative numbers together gives a positive number, multiplying a negative by 0, okay, it's 0, multiplying negative by a positive gives me negative, and multiplying 0 by a positive gives me 0. Positive by positive gives me positive. Okay. So now you can see the only intervals here that satisfy it being less than 0, not equal to, is negative 5, negative 2. So that means that the solution to the inequality is negative 5, negative 2. And you can plug in a value from this interval to check your answer. Okay, so that was how to solve a quadratic inequality. Thank you.